The MTD team are out and about on the road, and today we're at the Engineering Technology Group, and Steve has a great deal for us on a wire EDM.
Yes, so we've got some Mitsubishis already in stock, one sitting behind us that we've sold. But again, from the Mitsubishi wire themselves, our entry-level machine starting at less than 90k.
For less than £90,000. So are you going to tell me about the machine?
Technically I can't, I'm going to have to hand over to my colleague Scott, who will run you through all the technical aspects.
Scott is the brains behind this. So, Scott, for less than £90,000, you can get a Mitsubishi wire EDM. But what is good about this model?
So with all Mitsubishi EDM machines, one of our USPs would be, for example, and my challenge to anybody doing EDM would be, in a typical year, you've got 8,700 hours available to you. Most EDM machines in job shops we see running 2,500, 3,500 hours. If you would like to see how I can save you between £15,000 and £30,000, no, let me say no illusions in wire consumption, then please feel free to come and take a look.
I like that. That's honesty and openness from Scott. So you've said it on camera now, so you can't go back on that. Any other USPs on the machine?
Yeah, so people think that maybe they can't afford the machine or a new machine. So as I just mentioned, the wire consumption is a really big one from Mitsubishi.
Huge.
The next thing would be, security in your investment. So we offer a 12-year positional warranty, for example. So not only can you afford to buy the machine, but you also know the machine's going to be accurate, for a long time to come.
12 years?
12-year positional warranty on the machine tool.
Wow, okay. And go through the specification and what makes this machine so good.
So this particular machine is the 2400R. We've got 600 by 400 travel, 310 under the Z, rise and fall door. We don't have any swing doors. And it's a 7-axis control. We can add rotary axes as well later on, and onboard programming as well.
So before we finish, my question to you, Scott, what is so good, personally, what you believe about the Mitsubishi wire EDM machines?
Long-term reliability and stability in the product.
There you go. That's all we wish for, really, don't we? Brilliant. Thank you, Scott.
Thank
you.
you.
For sub £90,000, you can get your hands on a Mitsubishi wire EDM machine. Contact ETG for more information.